In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a folder to File Explorer Quick Access. Pinning a folder to Quick Access is a simple way to keep your most used locations just one click away, so you don't have to dig through multiple drives or long folder paths every time. This works on modern versions of Windows that have the Quick Access section in File Explorer. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard at the same time. Once File Explorer is open, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a vertical panel with sections like Quick Access, This PC, and possibly some drives or network locations. Now, find the folder you want to pin. You can browse to it using that left panel, or by double-clicking through your drives and folders in the main window. Take a moment to be sure you're choosing the exact folder you want quick access to, such as a projects folder, downloads, or a shared drive. Once you've located the folder, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with different options. In that menu, look for the option that says Pin to Quick Access. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, Windows will add that folder to the Quick Access section at the top of the left panel. To confirm it worked, glance back at the left side of File Explorer. Under Quick Access, you should now see the folder name listed. You can click it from there, and it should immediately open that folder, no matter where you are in File Explorer. From now on, anytime you open File Explorer, that pinned folder will be right there in Quick Access. This is especially helpful for folders you use every day, like work documents, school files, or a frequently used network location. If you ever change your mind and want to remove a folder from Quick Access, it's just as easy. Go to the Quick Access section on the left, right-click the folder you pinned, and choose Unpin from Quick Access. The folder itself won't be deleted. It will simply be removed from that shortcut list. And that's all there is to it. By pinning your most important folders to Quick Access, you can save time, reduce clicks, and keep your workflow much more organized.